The closing function of district-level Nasha Mukt Bharat campaign was held on the 27th March 2021 at Webpali Community Hall, Jowai, with Sri L. Kinjing, Additional Deputy Commissioner, as the chief guest. Attending the function were DSP M.J. Marngar, Sri M.A. Chalam, Extra Assistant Commissioner, Srimati J. Sanna, District Social Welfare Officer cum Member Secretary, District-level Nasha Mukt Bharat campaign, Sri Alan Yangti, President Sinjuk Shillong Jowai, Reverend L.O. Garrett, Secretary, Industrial and Institutional Ministry, KGP Senat Mitni, Reverend H.H. Morman, Secretary SURE, Dr. J.N. Shulai, Project Director Mitmintru Community and Social Welfare Association Jowai, Sri Anthony M. Young, Director Manbha Foundation, and others. Speaking at the function, Sri L. Kinjing thanked the Social Welfare Department, the NGOs and industrial and institutional centers for their wholehearted cooperation and support in conducting various activities across the district to do away with drugs. Kinjing said, the Nasha Mukt Bharat campaign is one way to generate awareness about the ill effects of substance abuse, to create solutions and to intervene to help a person overcome addiction. He further called for cooperation from all sections to keep the district free from substance abuse. Reverend H.H. Morman, in his introductory speech, said that the reason for conducting the Nasha Mukt Bharat campaign as West Jaintia Hills district has been identified as one among the 272 most affected districts in the country, vulnerable in terms of substance or drug abuse. He said, instead of stigmatizing those persons with drug dependence, we can be the catalyst of change for the betterment of society.
Kami perlu create sistem, kita start create business, kita sebut. Kami mau timit di distrik kami ini betai teh, ibu haji sikit atau mani gos nausrom ini betai teh. Tadi di daw, dapat mani ketika campaign orang ini di sanai rumai.
Speaking about the positive response received during the campaign, Dr. J.N. Shulai said there is a need for de-addiction center in the district to help the clients to control drug addiction in the district. The campaign was initiated by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, with an aim to curb the menace of addiction in the society.